What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. And today, Thursday, May 22nd, we are at Home Depot filming all the Memorial Day deals we can find. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, friends, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We do specialize in Costco content, along with the best deals of the week on Amazon.com, Sam's Club as well. And starting the video off to my right, we do have the 30-gallon leaf bags from Home Depot. Now, these are paper lawn leaf bags. We do get a 5 count here. They're 30 gallons, like I mentioned. Now, these are great for the leaves, yard waste. Just in case you run out, grab yourself one of these. It's always good to have on hand. And they're only $2.50 for a 5-pack. And to my right, we have the very popular orange Home Depot 5-gallon buckets. These are going for $3.98 each without the lid, but they do have the lids available. Now, a lot of people like to compare these to the Costco 5-gallon buckets that just came out. Those come in a 3-pack for only $9.99. So here, a single bucket, $3.98. If you want to buy the lid, that does come separately. You could pick one up for $1.98. So $1.98 for the lid, $3.98 for the bucket. If you buy them total, you're into it for $5.96. And moving down to the right, a little bit more, this time from Husky, we have their exclusive 50-foot heavy-duty hose. Now, these do have brass thread couplings at the end of them, which is pretty awesome. They also have a nice high-performance burst strength up to 450 PSI, which is excellent. And today, they're currently on sale for Labor Day. You can pick one up for $24.98, 50 feet by 5/8 of an inch. Also to my right from Husky, once again, we have their pattern nozzle available. Now, these are pretty heavy duty. I like them. Now, these pattern nozzles is pretty nice. They have 20% more flow rate. These do have a rear trigger on them, and you can also adjust the flow rate on them. As you can see there in the back rear trigger, you can adjust the flow rate. You can pick up a nozzle here for $12.98. Now check out these little itty bitty super tough totes in front of us. These are super cute, super cool. These are 6.5 cores, so we have two different versions here at Home Depot. We have the clear version, so you can see inside, see exactly what you put in there, and then we have the black and yellow in front of us. Now these are very heavy duty. Don't be fooled by the size. These are great. Now you can stack them on top of each other. They're 6.5 quarts, a decent size here. These are great for organizing your household. $2.50 each. That's a great price. That does include the lid. And then to my left, we do have the very popular string lights from Hampton Bay. These are nice. They have the S14 single filament LED bulbs, and you do get 24 bulbs in total. Each bulb is 40 lumens. You just plug and play. These are pretty nice. They're shatterproof, which I like. These are great patio string light bulbs. They're great for indoor and outdoor, and today they're currently on sale for $29.97. If you do buy more than one, they'll give you an additional 5% off. And speaking of Hampton Bay, we also have their super popular, these are their 11-foot cantilever solar LED umbrellas. Now, these do look super awesome in my opinion, pretty similar to the one at Costco, but a little bit less money. Now, these are currently on sale for Labor Day. They're taking $100 off the price, bringing it down to $349.99. These are solar power LEDs. They have 3,000 and 5,000 K options. Pretty nice cantilever umbrella. And look what we have here, the very popular Scrub Daddy. We're looking at their Barbecue Daddy, the same one they sell at Costco, except the version at Costco does give you a little bit extra. Right in front of us, we have their Barbecue Daddy going for $24.98. What I love about this, it's completely bristle-free, uses steam cleaning and a scrubber in order to get those grills nice and clean. And speaking of barbecues, we do have the 2-pack of charcoal from Kingsford currently on sale. Now, these are 2-pack 16-pound bags. This is the original version, the value size, going for $17.88. But the deal at Costco is a little bit better in my opinion. At Costco, they have the Professional Series from Kingsford. It's 100% all natural. They have the 2-pack there, and those are 18-pound bags. Those are going for $22.49. A better deal and better charcoal in my opinion. And I do understand if you don't want to head over to Costco just to save a couple of bucks, maybe you just need the charcoal now. You can grab the charcoal. You can even pair it up with this Weber grill right next to it. Amazing grill. This is the Jumbo Joe. This is their premium 22-inch charcoal grill in black. Has the wheels on the bottom. Great grill, fantastic reviews, amazing reviews for $99. Great price. Pair it up with the charcoal. You're into it for $120 and you are good to go. And next up from Hoover, let's have a look at their Turbo Scrub XL. Now this is their corded upright carpet cleaning machine. It has amazing reviews online. It looks amazing. I like it a lot. Now it does have 5 spin scrub brushes for those deep carpet cleaning. It looks amazing, like I mentioned. It even has the heat force. That way it dries the carpet a lot faster, which is fantastic. Has the carpet shampooer for deep setting carpet stains, and it looks amazing, like I mentioned a few times now. Now the original price is about $229. They're giving us $80 off the price, bringing it down to $149 even. And look what we have right next to it from Ryobi. We're looking at their 18-volt stick vacuum. Now, I know the camera's bouncing around a little bit, but this is their stick vacuum. Just very quickly, we'll go over it. Comes with the battery. Pretty decent vacuum here, and the price is not bad at all. If you don't feel like spending $500 on the Dyson, grab this one for $169. So for Memorial Day, we have so many different appliances on sale. This one right in front of us, it's a convertible under the cabinet range hood, 30 inches, so it's your standard size here. Now currently we can see the price here for $179 even from Visani, but the actual sale price is $149. So make sure you're paying $149 if you do decide to pick this up. Don't get fooled paying $179. It's actually $149. So if you are in the market for a microwave over the range with ventilation, they have that as well from Visani. This is a 1,000-watt microwave, 1.7 cubic feet, has 10 different power levels. It's a family-sized microwave. It also has 2 fan settings for the ventilation, 300 CFM, which is okay. Now the reviews on it, pretty awesome, I got to admit. Now we have 2 different versions here. We have the stainless steel for $239 even. To my right, we have the black version for $199 even. So when it comes to Memorial Day deals and sales, what do we think? We think appliances and we think car sales. So here at Home Depot, the appliance deals do end June 4th. You can save up to 35% off, and you also can save it up to an additional $450 off. The more you buy, the more you save. If you buy 1 appliance, 2 appliance, 3 appliance, 4 appliance, you start saving more and more and more. I am going to leave links in the comment section. You can click those links and it'll take you directly to your local ad, or it'll take you directly to the appliance page where you can save additional money. And then right in front of us from Valley Forge, we have their 3x5 American flag with a 6-foot pole, $49.98, but it's still cheaper at Costco. You can grab this for $33 at Costco, but if you do prefer something a little bit smaller, to my left, they also have this Valley Forge. This is 2.5 feet by 4 feet. It does come with a 5-foot pole, and this one's only priced at $17.76. What a great price. You get it? $17.76. And I do want to show you a couple of deals available online. This one from Glacier Bay. If you're still sitting on one of those toilets that's super low to the ground that hurts your knees every time you get up, this is your calling to upgrade your toilet. For only $109 from Glacier Bay, this one's ADA compliant, meaning the American with Disability Act. It's a certain height level, so when you get up off the toilet, it doesn't hurt your knees too much. 1.1 gallon flush, a great price for $109. Also from Miracle Grow, we do have their all-purpose in-ground garden soil. Now this is a great deal, 4 for $10 or $2.50 per bag. And let's not forget about the Earth Grow from Scott's. We have the black mulch, we have the brown mulch, and we do have the red mulch. You can choose between either or, 4 for $10. This is 1.5 cubic feet, or you can grab each bag for $2.50. And next up, this time from Suncast, we do have another fantastic deal, 175-foot hose reel mobile cart. Now this is a great price, very durable. It's rust-free because it does have that plastic construction. Now it can hold up to 175 feet of hose, and you can pick this up for only $34.98. And heading back to the depot right in front of us, we do have a nice variety of fans currently on sale. Now these are from Commercial Electric. We have a high velocity 20-inch fan right in front of us going for $69.98. Directly behind it, we have a bunch of drum fans going for sale. Now we do have a 24-inch drum fan also from Commercial Electric going for $149 even. To the right of that, going for $299. Now if you're in the market for a drum fan, Costco has the DeWalt 24-inch drum fan going for $129.99. Amazing price. So right in front of us, we do have the very popular kneeling pad from Husky. If you love to be on your knees, whether it's indoor or outdoor, these are amazing. They're 22 inches in length by 15 inches wide. They're 1.5 inches thick. Now, these are a little bit different than your typical kneeling pads. These are nice and soft. They're pretty nice and easy on your knees. So if you have bad knees, these are great. If you love to be on your knees, you're going to love these. These are perfect for indoor and outdoor. Very comfortable, super wide, so you have plenty of room to move around. $14.88. And check out this awesome display from Milwaukee. So many great deals, but you do have to be aware of the prices. So this job site fan, $99 on sale. Not the greatest, but still pretty awesome. Now I love myself a nice job site fan. This does fit the M18 lineup. No battery included, obviously. I just picked up the Ryobi version. I had extra Ryobi batteries. I picked it up at a steal for $30. Pretty awesome, cools me down. I can plug my iPhone into it, which I love. You can also grab the Milwaukee 13-in-1 for only $14.97. You can also pick up their adjustable wrench for the same price. Or if you do need a 1-inch pipe cutter, they have that as well. Now you have to go through the prices one by one because some of these are full price, they're mixed in. Some of these are a good discount, some of these are a great discount. So you do have to be aware of the prices. Just walk down, look at each one by one, see what you need, check out the price, maybe compare it on Amazon, definitely compare it to Lowe's. We also have the Sawzall blades right in front of us from Diablo. These are pretty awesome, but I don't mind grabbing my blades from Harbor Freight. I do like those blades as well. So these are pretty good, $14.88, $19.88, and $15.88. These are from Diablo. We also have some nice polyurethane gloves right in front of us. I grabbed these from Harbor Freight as well, but you can grab a 12-pack here. These are going for $9.88. So we do have a bunch of great deals down this lineup, down this display. You just have to go through each one by one and make sure you're not overpaying. And speaking of the M18 lineup, we also have the Milwaukee 18-volt. This is their 7-tool kit with 2 batteries. Comes with a charger and tool bag. Check out this discount. Pretty amazing, I must add. Now you can grab this for $499 even. What a great buy. And I do know we have a lot of viewers that love the Ryobi tools. Now they have a pretty nice Memorial Day deal going on. When you buy this lithium starter kit, 2 batteries, 1 charger, it's the 18-volt 1 Plus. You can choose 1 free tool. That's pretty awesome. That's kind of how I got started in the Ryobi lineup. Now I have like 3 or 4 different tools for them. My favorite is the hedge trimmers. I use those to trim the bushes around my house. It works amazing. Now I don't have a lot of bushes, but it still works fantastic for what I need it for. I also own the job site fan, also another product I love. I can charge my iPhone with it. I got the fan going at full blast. Works pretty awesome. Pretty much similar to this one, except this one's the Whisper series. A great price. I actually bought mine off Marketplace for $30, so great deal there. We have so many great, cool, unique tools from Ryobi. Definitely check up their lineup. You're going to be shocked at how many different unique tools actually Ryobi does sell. That's why I like the Ryobi lineup. Obviously, some of their tools not the greatest. You know, if you're going to do some real carpentry work or real work at your household, you may want to upgrade, maybe switch to DeWalt or Milwaukee. But for little stuff like tools like this type of stuff, it's going to be great, especially if you're a DIYer. Their orbital sander, pretty awesome. Their LED lights, pretty cool. Those type of stuff's fantastic. Or you can pick up this nice toolkit here for $199, 18-volt. Now you get a 4-amp battery, 1.5-amp battery, and then you have the tools, a 6-tool combo kit with the bag. This is a great price for $199. You really can't go wrong unless you do find a Craftsman kit that's pretty similar to this one. This is a great buy. And if you're not a Ryobi fan, that's all right. We also have the DeWalt 20-volt max. This is our 7-tool combo kit. Comes with a 2-amp battery, the 5-amp battery, the charger, and the case for $499 even. Fantastic price as well. As most of you know, I do like to cross-reference all my deals, so if I am mentioning Costco too much, that's because I just want you to get the best deal possible. This air conditioner from GE, 8,000 BTUs, it does cover 350 square feet, smart controlled. It's going for $279 even, but the deal at Costco is much better. If they have any left in stock, make sure you check the app to see if they do, because when they sell out at Costco, they're gone. So we have a little bit stronger one in the back, 10,000 BTUs, covers up to 450 square feet, going for $359 even. Now Costco does have the Medea portable design with 12,000 BTUs going for $350. Oh, and I almost forgot, I have one more awesome deal from Husky Online. You get this 3-bag tote kit or tool bag combo kit. You get the 18-inch, you get the 15-inch, and you get the 12-inch. You get all 3 bags for only $29.98. What an awesome price. Now, the original price is about $70. So if you click this and you see $70, just give it a couple of seconds to refresh it and watch the price drop. And if you're doing a little bit of paint work at your house, definitely check out this section right here. Let's go through it very quickly. We have the 6-piece premium paint set right in front of us. Now this is pretty decent, but it's going for $16.98. If you're at Costco, the Wagner set is much better than this set, I do have to admit. Now also to my right, we have the 3-piece premium paintbrush set. When you're buying paintbrushes, make sure you buy some decent quality paintbrushes. Don't be going to Harbor Freight buying those cheap 99-cent paintbrushes. Spend a little bit of money, get your cuts just right. $19.98. We have the painter's tape, $36.88. We even have the Gorilla duct tape going for $9.88. Now you can choose between either or, the Gorilla tape or the white rags for $9.88. And moving down a little bit more, we also have a couple more items here. We do have the 2-inch angle brush from Shortcut. Now this brush is awesome, works very, very well. If you haven't used this brush, definitely try it out. I like it a lot. If you're doing any kind of paint work around your household, definitely try it out. We also have some more painter's tape for $6.88. But the star of the video, in my opinion, are these new two-gallon little 2-gallon buckets here. What's wrong with me? These 2-gallon buckets are awesome. They're super tiny. I bought a couple for my son. He loves them. Definitely great to have around the household. Instead of carrying those big 5-gallon buckets, you can pick up the 2-gallon buckets. These are pretty awesome, I got to admit. Only $2.98. And then another product from Hampton Bay, we have their exclusive Glen Ridge. This is their 7-piece dining set. Now this set does include a table. You get 6 padded chairs. I did sit on it, but I don't know. I wasn't crazy about the quality of it. For $500, I don't know. I think I would pass. I mean, it kind of looks okay in the picture when it's set up with a cantilever umbrella and this and that. But for the price, I don't know. I think I would just jump on Marketplace, see if I can find something a little bit better quality. But if you do decide to buy it, $4.99, you do save $190. All right, friends, ending the video here. I hope you did enjoy today's video at Home Depot. Don't forget, friends, I'm going to leave a link in the comments section. You can click that link. It'll take you directly to your local flyer. Also, I'm going to leave a link to take you directly to the appliances so you can have a look at the appliance sales. They also have finance deals as well. Some of these deals are pretty good, so don't skip out on them if you are in the market for new appliances. And remember, friends, if you enjoyed today's video and you want to support the channel, make sure you subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and we are doing a new giveaway. I'll leave a link for the giveaway in this comment section. For the giveaway, for the local ad, and for the appliances, all 3 links will be in the comment section. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you leave me a comment. Let me know you enjoyed it. If you want me to do a Lowe's video, I would gladly do that as well. Don't forget, friends, tomorrow we have a new awesome Costco clearance video coming up soon, and that should be a lot of fun. Thank you for supporting the channel. I'll see you tomorrow with another great video. Check out the Ryobi lawnmowers right in front of us. I'll see you tomorrow, friends. Peace.